Hey, all, welcome back to Fire and Water Cooking. I am Darren, of course, and today I'm going to do something just a little different. It is Thanksgiving Day, guys, and I'm going to do something I don't do very often. I'm actually going to do a boneless leg of lamb that I got from Wild Fork here, and we're going to sous vide it, and then we're going to finish it up on the rotisserie on the Monument Grill. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Alright guys, so I did start this a little bit early, and sorry I didn't get any video of it, but all I really did is I took it out of the package after I thawed it. Like I said, I got this from Wild Fork, boneless leg of lamb. It's already wrapped up in a net here, but what I did is I actually dry brined it overnight in some of my all-purpose black garlic seasoning, Fire and Water Cooking, Edible Creations, all-purpose black garlic seasoning. And I also added some of this Greek seasoning from Fresh Jack's, which I really like. It's got some really great herbs to it. Got a little bit of mint, a little bit of that sea salt as well, some onion powder. It also has basil and thyme and rosemary and all those great herbs that this Greek seasoning has. So I actually dry brined it overnight. We're going to sous vide this at 134 for about 4.5 to 5 hours to get that thing cooked all the way through, tenderize it just a little bit. But then we're going to finish it up on the Monument gas grill over here on the rotisserie, just to get that nice caramelization to it, the Maillard reaction. Not really going to cook it too much, but just pretty much finish that outside on the rotisserie. Then we're going to slice it up for dinner. So, all right, I got my sous vide already heated up. It's already sitting there. Oh, it's right at 134 and ready to go. It actually started counting down already. I had it set for 7 hours, but I wanted it to be right around 5 or 6. So we're going to come back and check on this right at about 5 hours, and we'll probably pull it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get this in here, guys. Don't really need to take you to the next level here. I said right about 5.5 hours. Then we'll come back, put this thing on the rotisserie. Super simple. I'll see you when I get back. All right, guys, it's been right at about just a little over 5 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. Go ahead and shut that off. Perfect, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the bag. We're going to pat it dry, get it on the rotisserie, and we're going to fire up the grill. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here we go. Look at that. Looks perfect. Still got a lot of that seasoning on. We didn't have a whole lot of juices in the bag. That could be a good thing or a bad thing. We're hoping this is going to be still pretty juicy since we still only cooked at medium rare. So we've got plenty of room. I am going to remove the netting here because this is not going to do well over the rotisserie. And I think we'll be all right with the rotisserie tines holding this together. Should be all right. I'm going to put just a little bit more of the seasoning in here. In some of these spots where it kind of came apart a little bit. Clean up my mess a little bit. And one of the things I am going to do, guys, I'm going to hit it with just a little bit of spray oil. That's going to help us develop that crust that we're going to be looking for. All right, that's it. I'm going to see you when I'm getting this on the rotisserie. All right, guys, I got the heat on medium high. Try to position to this where it's right there in between these two. And we'll get this going. Look at that. I might have to adjust the temp just a little bit. All right, guys, I think we're all right for now. Look at that. All right, I'll be back when we're getting close to being done here. All right, guys, I know a lot of you are asking, why would you sous vide this before roasting it? Because roasting it looks so great. Well, sous vide actually lets you cook it all the way through, plus tenderize it. So that 5 hours or so actually tenderized this meat some, and also cooked it all the way through. So now all I'm looking for is to get that nice roasted flavor. Well, all right, guys, here it is. Leg of lamb, sous vide. Spit roasted. Gonna cut a piece right off of here. Still got some nice medium rare to it. Get me a piece of that side. Still got some fat, some of that crust. Check that out. A little all-purpose black garlic. That was pretty juicy, guys. Not gamey at all either. Seasoning's perfect for this. Wow. Check this out, guys. Check out the boneless leg of lamb from Wild Fork. Cook it sous vide, put it on a rotisserie. Perfect holiday meal for sure. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Make sure you check out our Fire and Water Cooking Edible Creations store down below. Pick up some of these seasonings for yourselves. I'll see you again on the next Fire and Water Cooking video.